Please note the patch release updates on 2nd of May 2021. First, for private CVC manager, there will be an inventory management module. So the private CVC manager has to update stock and batch detail procured from manufacturer for COVID vaccination after 30th April. This is not meant for stock received from the government. So as you can see, now there's a updated tab of stock entry, and there's a message, please note balance stock of vaccine doses supplied by government up to 30th April 2021 have to be returned to district immunization officer, and only such vaccine stock that have been procured by hospital may be declared in this form. So you can see an icon of stock add addition. Select the relevant vaccine, enter number of vials received, followed by confirming doses per vial. After that, select the received date and then the batch number. Private CVC manager then can save the details. The inventory is then successfully updated. The next important point is the authentication at the time of changing details of age and price. So the OTP authentication will be done by CVC manager and DIO for updating the price of vaccines. So while clicking on the update icon for updating the price, so the process remains the same. Vaccine would be selected and then price would be updated, followed by pressing on submitting button. CVC manager can have a careful review on the price of the vaccine and then confirm the details. After that, CVC manager will receive an OTP. After saving the details, CVC settings will be updated. Another upgrade is that on same day for same vaccines, 2 sessions may be populated for different age group. So when CVC manager press on the manage session icon, they can select the date, they can select the vaccine and specify the age group 18 plus or 45 plus, add the session, and on the same day, like 3rd of May here, with same vaccine Covishield for different age group, another session may be added. And then we can publish these sessions. Also, if there are multiple batches, the batch details can be updated. In the update vaccine batch icon, you can from the drop down now select the batch details and confirm the batch for different sessions. Please remember that you have to press on save icon to update the batch details.